I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Pyukumuku. So in your craft packet, you will have a rock that is painted black, a pencil, a paintbrush, a little paint cup with a tiny dab of white paint in it, a white pom-pom, 2 tiny pink foam circles, and 6 little pink pieces of pipe cleaner. Now 4 of them will be a little shorter than the other 2. And I will show you how to put our Pyukumuku together. All right, so once we have all our supplies assembled, we're going to start with our pieces of pipe cleaner. And we're going to make 6 little cones. And we're going to do that by wrapping each pipe cleaner piece around the tip of your sharpened pencil. So we're going to start down here right about where the sharpening begins. We're going to hold on our piece of little pink pipe cleaner, and then we're just going to start wrapping it around, going all the way up to the tip. And if it goes a little past the tip, then you can either cut it off or go ahead and just fold it around. Then we can remove it from the tip and we have a little cone. So we're going to do that 6 times. So that's 1, and we have 5 more pieces to go. Once we have all 6 of our cones, we can set aside our pencil. And now we're going to get ready to glue. Now, if you have safe access to hot glue, that's going to be your fastest and easiest method of attaching all of these. However, if you do not have safe access to hot glue, you can use tacky glue. Just try not to use big globs of it because then it will slide right off while it's drying. You can try to use a glue stick. School glue may be too runny. But I am going to use hot glue for this one. And I am going to start, you can start either at the front or the back. I'm going to start at the front with the little eyes. So whichever end of your little rock you want to be the front, I'm going to put 2 little dots of glue on either side of the front point, if you have a point, rounded edge. But just 2 little dots in the front, but with enough space in between them that we can still paint on a little mouth. Now, while our cute little pink foam eyes dry on our little guy, we're going to move on to our little spikes. So match them up to try and get as close to the same size pairs as you can. And if you're looking at them and you think, well, these 2 match better, then move them around. Just find whichever ones you think match the best. And then, once we have our 3 pairs, the largest pair is going to go in the center, and then the other 2 pairs will go on the front and the back. So take one of your smaller pairs and add a little bit of glue to the bottom of it, or if you're using a glue stick, directly onto our little guy here. And we're just gonna stick them on there. If you're using hot glue, please be careful. It can leak out the sides of our pipe cleaner, so you want to make sure that you're only pressing down from the top and not getting your fingers too close there. And our first pair will go on either side of the front of our rock, kind of right behind the eyes. Then we'll move on to whichever pieces are your larger pieces. And these two cones are going to go right in the middle on either side of our rock. And then our last pair will go on the back, just behind the two that we just placed. So we should end up with 3 little cones or spikes on either side of our Pyukumuku's body. And then for our last gluing part, we're going to grab our little white pom-pom. This is his little floofy tail. I'm going to add some glue to that and stick it right in the center of the back. So he's got a little kind of bunny cottontail. And now our little Pokemon is almost complete. The last thing we're going to do is paint on his little mouth. So for this, because it is so tiny, I actually recommend using the back end of your paintbrush, not the actual brush part, but the back pointed end, and just kind of dip it in your paint. And that'll give us a small line to use to paint on his little mouth. And we're gonna kind of make a star shape, almost. So we're gonna start with a line that comes from the top down, and then curves off to one side a little bit, and then another line that goes off to the other side a little, and then a line across. And that is his little mouth. So again, that's down from the top of the middle down and off towards one eye, and then again from the top down off towards the other eye at the bottom, and then a little line straight across. And that's all the paint we need. And then our little Pyukumuku is done. And that is our Pokemon craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.